So I happened to meet my best friend few days back, and she told me that she joined gym, which is a very good thing, and she's been consistent and working hard, and she's seeing all the differences, the glow and everything, and it's happy to know that she's dedicated towards her workout and going to gym consistently. That's a good thing. But somewhere somehow there were still teeny weeny complaints here and there, about body and features and makeup and skin and hair and whatnot, everything. I mean, that's human nature, that's normal. Okay, there's this thought which I thought, let me put it across, which came to my mind. The funny thing is, almost everyone, all of us are very insecure about ourselves, our own body. There are a lot of them. Some hate their hair, some hate their height, some hate their weight, some hate their skin, their features and whatnot. I mean, the list keeps going on and on and on. Okay, we keep cribbing like we're supposed to look perfect every single day. How's that possible? The truth is, we are blessed. We have a body that, wakes up every morning, that breathes, that dances, walks, laughs, sings, survives breakdown, goes through trauma. It heals cuts and whatnot. It fixes itself, and still we call it's not good enough. What is perfect body? Perfect body hota kya hai? Every body is different, and that is the beauty. So listen, if you really want to change yourself, please go change. Please go do something for it, but not out of shame. Do it out of love. That's like a self-respect wali feeling, When you do something for yourself, you change yourself, you transform yourself. If you don't like something in you, gym jao, eat clean, move your body, do it for yourself. Not because you hate it, but you're grateful for it. Because end of the day, the real flex is a healthy body, a functioning mind, and a heart that's still trying, that's still pumping so hard. Perfect looks fade, but taking care of yourself, that glow, that stays forever.